Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can cancel any of your app subscriptions on Google Play. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to cancel any of your app subscriptions, first, go to your Google Play Store. Once you're on your Play Store, next, go and tap your profile icon on the top right corner. By the way guys, make sure that the Google account you are using is the same Google account that you used to do the app subscription. If it's not, then go and switch to that account. So for the next step, go and tap Payments and Subscriptions. And then go to Subscriptions. And after that, you will now be able to see the apps that you have a subscription to. And if you want to cancel the subscription, all you gotta do is tap the app. And after that, you will now be able to see the cancel subscription button at the bottom. You can just go and tap it for your subscription to be canceled. But in my case, I won't do it guys, since I don't plan on canceling my subscription. But for you who want to cancel their subscription, you can go ahead and tap it, then your subscription will be canceled successfully. And so that's just how you cancel any of your app subscriptions guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.